mosquito. Hiya! She's doing zoomies. Good morning. We are in New South Beach. There's a couple of freedom camping spots along the shoreline and we can go to the beach. And that thing over there is the jetty, and you see the library on the right side, and you can have a view onto the shore and the sea, which is pretty nice. Some people just don't feel the cold, I guess. New Brighton Beach, not New South Brighton, just New Brighton. Yesterday we've been to that Indian place and I just really want to go again because it's South Indian food and that's exactly my vibe. I'll show you what I've had last night now. And now we're getting, for lunch, we're getting the masala dosa and a something coffee. Can't wait. And because we're here in Brighton, I really like that pun. Brighton. Last night this mall was just so eerie and cold and rainy and windy and dark. Really didn't like it. No, it's not too bad, but it's still pretty dead because it's just too cold. Glow in the dark golf, nice. Alice in Putterland. Hey, I wanted to get the masala dosa and a South Indian filter coffee and the idli. And I think I want to try the hot pickle. I think that should be it for now. Thank you. Now we know what it is. The clock tower. Makes sense. It's a tower with a clock. The entire day we were sitting in there and we saw this guy doing this beach art or whatever it's called. Oh Jesus. It looked like symbols and just paintings. Now I see it's like a flag and it says peace over there. Didn't see that earlier from the other, from that kind of. The librarian she essentially said she put all the books to sleep. I was asking why she puts all these blinds down. And she said because of the sun. I said at night? No, in the morning. And I said, but in the morning I see all the people putting the blinds back up. But people just come on at 9 and the sun would rise just there at the end of the pier at the east, and they're trying to block the sunlight from the books. And then she said, but it also feels like putting the books to sleep, which I found very, very cute. Yeah, this also freaked me out last time. When I came home from the Indian shop, I didn't see Eduardo's waiting there. That's just because of this massive tree that you probably can't see. But all mates waiting there, all good. For dinner, we are finishing up that kacha bread, making a couple of bum nuts and making a sandwich. That's probably not gonna work. but try anyway. Ooh, nice. Surprisingly good. It's a lot of egg, Jesus. And a little bit of hot sauce. And this is almost the sandwich of justice. Almost. Not really sure how to eat that, because there's so much justice in there. A lot of justice. That was pretty good. I'll finish that and then good night. Rakaya. So that is hands down the best library that I've been to, because it's not a community kind of library, but it's just a uni library where there's just people trying to study. So it's super, super quiet. Perfect. Institute of Canterbury. And now lunch at Black Betty. So that is a coffee rubbed beef brisket. And to finish off the day, from the library we're going to the next library. So we've been to this other club over there. Now we're here trying to find this person who took my jacket essentially. But where do we go? Like, she ran off, and like, where do we go? Where, what do we do? I lost my jacket.
Oh, did you?
I did.
For tonight, this is definitely the highlight of our New Zealand trip 2024, and this is all happening because of you guys. And I have to say, you know, we've been to Wellington and Auckland, but Christchurch, you fucking guys kill it, man. The energy is next level. Tick. 2024! Spread your wings like an eagle!
Like an Omid of French show. Yeah.
Ooh, Nicker from the barrel.
Step one.
Step one.
Put the glass under the thing.
Done.
Now open the tap.
This one?
Yeah.
Forwards or backwards?
Backwards.
Okay.
Forwards.
Pass.
Then close.
Close it? Yeah?
Now wait for it to settle a wee bit.
Yep. Just
And
a
now-
wee bit? How much is wee bit? How many seconds?
A wee bit. If you want to put more, put more.
No, that should be good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I know, try.
On the morning light, the hour starts the day stretching out so bright in a current way. Leave some shadows fast.
Where's the cats?
Okay, I've got 4 rooms. It's really empty. There are currently no cats.
So it's a useless room then.
Here we have adult cat number 1.
Morning.
Hang on.
Yeah.
The second adult. And then this is the first kitten room. Oh my god.
What?
What have you done?
Oh. Much smaller than I thought.
Joyful sound.